After meditation this morning, I went out and just walking on the land and the beauty of the landscape, just fields and trees, birdsong, the stream.
So right now we're standing on the Abenhall Estate. We're on the edge of the Forest of Dean, very close to the border with Wales. And we're standing in the middle of about 54 acres of really varied rolling pasture land. The land has dips of valleys, it's got woodland, it's got ponds.
Already you can visualise what's going to be happening. I think, like me, you'll see the future in the present here.
This is just amazing. I mean, my goodness, we've got our meditation hall.
You'll see the various types of retreats that we can offer, the transformation, the healing, the laughter, the songs.
We have the bedrooms, we have the meditation hall, we have the kitchens, we have the land, so that we can run retreats straight away.
It's very hard to practice peace at home in the current environment, and I guess have a home here where we can come to with the children to show them what living in peaceful harmony is like, even just for the weekend.
So we need to know within the next month that it is going to be possible to raise the funds that we need. So now is the time, and if we have a strong signal that the support is truly there, that the funds are coming in, this is going to happen.
It will allow everyone in the UK and around to bring home closer to home, so that we can bring that resilience to a world that deeply and urgently needs it.
So those of you who are thinking of giving a donation, we really encourage you, because now it's the crucial moment.
And we have such a short deadline. The vendors have taken this place off the market, and we need to raise a minimum amount that we can actually commit to this project. Otherwise we're going to have to walk away and we'll lose it.
This is thinking about future generations. This is helping so many people. So I really encourage you, whatever you're able to give, don't wait.
I've seen activists of all forms go through retreats in Plum Village, and I don't think I realised until I came back just how impactful a week or 2 weeks of actual peace have in terms of the way in which you then engage with the rest of the world. It's so powerful.